to our training, and today we're going to start by adding Favicon to our web browser. Adding Favicon to our web browser. Okay, so what is Favicon? A Favicon is also known as a shortcut icon, or website icon, or tab icon, or URL icon, or bookmark icon. Okay, just like the one we have here now, like this notepad, we have a picture here. That picture is what we refer to as Favicon. Okay, it's a file containing one or more small icons associated with a particular website or web page. So that is what we want to create. Okay, now we have to add that to our web page, and number one, it has to be in a square image. We must use a square image, and secondly, our Favicon must be saved with a PNG. It has to be a PNG file or PNG image. Okay, we can use a PEG or JPG file. No, so what we are going to use is PNG file. Now, for of us, we need to first of all go to our folder and create another folder. So this is my folder that we are using for this training. So I will double click on it and open it. So inside it here, I will right click and go to new. Then we'll create a new folder. The first folder we are going to create is image folder. So this image folder, we are going to open it, double click on it, then you open it. Then this is where we are going to save our image. Now I will go to my desktop. Then I will search for picture that I'm going to use as my Favicon picture. I'm going to use my logo, so let me look for it. Okay, so I'm using this logo. Now if you right click on this logo, go to the property and check if it's a PNG or JPG. So you can see it's a PNG file. It's a PNG file, so that is the one we are going to use. So I will right click on it and copy. So I'll copy it now. I'll go back to my folder. Where's my folder? Okay, I'll go back here, open the image folder, right click and paste it here. Okay, so this is the picture I'm going to be using. Okay, now that I have my picture here, I'll now go back to my Visual Studio Code. Then I'm putting the link on the head tag, not on the body tag, but on the head tag. So here I will create a link to it. Now the link will be for icon. Okay, then the ERF has to, we have to reference the image folder. So I will say image slash my logo. So it's already bringing it out for me. So image slash my logo. So if I save it now, then I'll come here, right click, and then copy the parts, then go to my web browser. Let me use this web browser. Go to my web browser, and then let's view as it will look like. Okay, so this is coming up. Okay, so here now I'll paste the link that I just copied and run it. Now if you look at this place, you can see the logo appearing here. So this is the Favicon. So we have created a Favicon for our page. Very beautiful, and there is no website that does not have a Favicon. Take for instance, if you open a Facebook you notice that is a favicon on the Facebook and all that. So that is very